Welcome. Today we're diving into a useful feature of Google Chrome that many users might want to manage, Picture-in-Picture, or PiP. With the latest update, you can easily block PiP permissions for specific sites, giving you more control over your browsing experience. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you're using the latest version to access all the new features and settings. Once your browser is up and running, navigate to the site you want to adjust. This could be any website that utilizes video content and may automatically trigger PiP. Next, look for the address bar at the top of your browser window. Right next to the web address of the site you're visiting, you'll see a small icon that indicates site information. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select View Site Information. This action will take you to a more detailed view of the site's permissions and settings. Here, you will find various options related to how this particular site interacts with your browser. Now, it's time to change the settings specifically for Picture-in-Picture. Click on Site Settings from the options provided. This will open a new page where you can manage various permissions for the site. Scroll down until you find the setting labeled Automatic Picture-in-Picture. By default, this may be set to allow PiP mode. To block it, simply choose Block from the drop-down menu next to this option. This ensures that videos from this site won't pop out into a floating window while you browse. Once you've made this change, your adjustments will save automatically. You can now close the Settings tab and return to your browsing experience without worrying about unwanted PiP interruptions. In summary, managing PiP permissions in Google Chrome is a straightforward process that enhances your control over how websites behave while you're using them. By following these steps, opening Chrome, accessing site information, navigating to site settings, and blocking automatic PiP, you can customize your viewing preferences effectively. Enjoy a more tailored browsing experience.